Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ke Jingïarap Development Society harengkat ke jinge trailang mat ka office jong ka Plie, Germany kala Plie pak ba ye ki art li ki Ïing Baduk ye ka bala te kerpang na Bynta gini ki long Ïing Baduk bala IT ye ki ha ka arpu san bat ka arpu hundre terik nailor gini ki art li ki Ïing ki dei ki bala te ye ka kong biki biam na ka snong mi mentedu bat yo ba Gerald siang shai na ka snong sang air khanduli ye gini ki art li ki Ïing la sna bat penbit penbiang da ka Jhds haringkat ke jingkershan na ki arngut ki Jingïarap ki bana ka Rui Germany kita ki long ut Thomas bat ka Petra Meyer ya ka Ïing jong ka kong biki bi am la Plie ka arpu santrik unailor da usa Gerard Albert president ka Plie Germany bala kerku do father Simeon Sungo GB member ka Jhds haringkat ke jinge don lang father manbha pakem director Jhds ki staff bat ki nongelam ka balang Catholic mi mentedu la IT syaka long Ïing jaka kong biki biam jaga ni ka Ïing rengkat bat ki wei pada ki tiar badan kam ki bakin top she said ki shuki sofa artli ki jingthia ki miej ki stool ka jaka bo tiar bo jan bat ki wei di ki jing don kam.
I'm so deeply impressed that we really could realize this new house for Emika and her family. I remember very well the first time when we came, when we saw you, when we visited your family, shortly after passing away the father of the family. So we decided afterwards that we would like to do something specially for you and your family. And therefore we got two sponsors, Thomas and Petra, who said, I am really very, very happy to be present today in the inauguration of this new house, of this new home for the wonderful family here. And I really appreciate that some of you have come as well to celebrate this wonderful occasion today. And I will tell our people in Germany how good it is to help here. And it will be now the first house, and hopefully not the last one which we can inaugurate here. And I'm really happy that I can be present and that we will have now the blessing of the house, and hopefully we will have a good and safe future here in your new home. Thank you so much.
Haga arp hundre terik unailor pan la Plie sakawai ka Ïing ha ka snong khanduli ha ka bala IT ye ka Ïing sha ka long Ïing jong ba Gerald siang shai la Plie ye ka Ïing da coordinator ka Jhds ba Dennis Korkalang bala kerku kerdo do father manbha pakem director Jhds haringkat ka jinge don lang president ka Plie Germany ki staff ka Jhds bat ki nongelam ka seng rangba Catholic namdong parish ya ka jinglut jing step ha ka batai ye ka Ïing la penbit penbiang da ka Jhds bat ka Plie Germany haringkat ka jing kershan jong ka seng rangba Catholic namdong parish director ke Jhds ula penpau ke skongo ya baro ke badan keti bat kershan ban penshna ya kini ki artli ki long Ïing ki Baduk ki badan kam ya ki Jingïarap
po kani organization wa ya kani organization da sedang ina du usna maajar ndro retel hadu kani kisngi bat bon ka modale I ha kani kimlang salang kata kani kisnong le hadu usna maajar pra ja kande pau tu kra hai ni kisnong sini kamtam hawa awna si bru haliang ka bakya haliang ka kupam im yo ki ta ka met haru ka ukya haliang ka education kuman u kai gini drop out wan biang score patam ta ter rene sngi wan yo ki yo sakhi pi ya gini ka yung ka wa lengba ka jing lang Jhds wa Plie yi u snai ni yung ni ka yung sam yung uma jeral bagam ju le ya ka ikon kti yang ki bro te lengba jing lang Jhds wa Plie ya upchna ni yung but snau komen le wa yo jing tip wa ka sendong ba yung ka namdang paris le sedang gi wirap lang hago pechna ni yung te Plie sibun piuro tenes ngi kamu bukan alam apa kena Giant Hill Society wan sakhi ni ini urban patamjo law iti ya kini kayung sam ha kini ga yung majeral bat ki khari ti yung ke penamkam ki da ke babhamiat yo ki te sung san
Plie kiwa Jingïarap lang ba ki donation lang ba ke Jingïarap yung hi ong dai pendep ya kini kayung dayo ithet ya ki palong ki sofa set ini kiwi ki jing kam adu ka yung ka irong irup adu ka light mut ki he bun ki udadep lang ba ke jing am tilang ke yung pi de kublai cibun hawa kamni siaw yo men semi ina kaliang ka Jhds siaw yo men semi wa ye kre lang pi cirup bat unang ye kre langi tena ka banta yung pi ki wa yung asem mentu kani ke yung uekti ka happy but yoluti wa pi wan usumar sukher pi kini ke yung mko ayo wa hadin san rusnem kini ke yung mem sumar ka mem dewa penbaha penmiet teto ka kamram yang pi ka tu penbaha penmiet yoine daviet kini ke yung de yusuk de yu pelya ba de hap sumar pi kini ka yung imbaha imiet pi de kamayo pi kini ke yung yoluti yo pi ke jingkar khu yung belai halor kini ke yung kasem ke yung pi